predictor character methods. So in the previous method we have described, so in that cases, to solve a differential equation over a single interval, say from x is equal to xn to x is equal to xn plus 1, we required information only at the beginning of the interval, that is at x is equal to xn. But in predictor character methods are the ones which require function values at xn, xn minus 1, xn minus 2, etc. for the computation of the function value at xn plus 1. A predictor formula is used to predict the value of y at xn plus 1, and then a character formula is used to improve the value of yn plus 1. So in this we are going to derive a predictor character formula which uses backward differences, and it is called the Adams-Moulton method. So Newton's backward difference interpolation formula we have studied in the previous module. So it can be written as f of xy equal to f0 plus n into delta f0 plus n into n plus 1 del square f0 plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6 into del cube f0 plus etc. Put it as equation number 1, where n is equal to x minus x0 by h and f0 equal to f of x0 y0. And also we have this equation y1 equal to y0 plus integral from x0 to x1 f of xy dx. So by using these two, we are going to derive the predictor formula. Substitute 1 in 2, that is in the place of f of xy, substitute this value. So we will get y1 equal to y0 plus integral x0 to x1 f0 plus n into del f0 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 del square f0 plus etc. dx. From this equation we can write x is equal to hn, so dx will become h dn. So here we get dn and outside we get an h. So y1 equal to y0 plus h into integral from 0 to 1, that's our x0 and x1. So and the remaining portion is f0 plus n into del f0 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 del square f0. So by integrating this we get y0 plus h is taken outside. Here integral from 0 to 1, f0 is a constant and integral dn will give you n, and substituting the limits you will get 1. That is in the next step. Okay, and in the next where n we will get n square by 2, and substituting the upper limit and lower limit we will get 1 by 2 del, and the f0 is taken commonly outside, and plus etc. So the higher terms are also given here. So y1 is equal to y0 plus h into 1 plus 1 by 2 del plus 5 by 12 del square plus 3 by 8 del cube plus 251 by 720 del raised to 4 plus etc. into f0. Now here it can be seen that the right side of the above relation depends only on y0, isn't it? So y0, y minus 1, y minus 2, etc. So this formula can be used to compute y1. So we can therefore write it as y1p, where p stand for the predictor. Y1p is equal to y0 plus h into 1 plus 1 by 2 del plus 5 by 12 del square plus 3 by 8 del cube plus 251 by 720 del raised to 4 plus etc. And this is called the Adams-Bashforth formula and is used as a predictive formula. Okay, so now we are going to derive the character formula, and it can be derived in a similar manner by using Newton's backward difference formula at f1, and which is given by f of xy equal to f1 plus n into del f1 plus n del plus 1 by 2 del square f1 plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6 del cube f1 plus etc. Put it as equation number 4. Again substitute 4 in 2. That is our equation for y1. So y1 equal to y0 plus integral from x0 to x1 f1 plus n del f1 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 del square f1 plus etc. dx. Again for dx we are substituting h dn. So we will get to y0 plus h into integral from 0 to 1, the portion in the bracket, and outside a dn. So while integrating and applying the limits, integration is simple here. Okay, we will get to y1 equal to y0 plus h into 1 minus 1 by 2 del minus 1 by 12 del square minus 1 by 24 del cube plus etc. and taking f1 outside. So the RHS of equation 5 depend only on y1, y0, y minus 1 etc. Wherefore y1 we use here as y1p, the predicted value obtained from the equation 3. So we can write this as y1c equal to y0 plus h into 1 minus 1 by 2 del minus 1 by 2 del square minus 1 by 24 del cube minus 19 by 720 del raised to 4 etc. with f1p, and this is called the Adams-Moulton corrector formula. For practical purposes, we ignore the higher order differences and expressing the lower order difference in terms of function values. So by neglecting the fourth order and higher order differences, these two, the predictive formula and corrector formula, can be written as y1p equal to y0 plus h by 24 55 f0 minus 59 f minus 1 plus 37 f minus 2 minus 9 f minus 3, and similarly y1c equal to y0 plus h by 24 9 f1p plus 19 f0 minus 5 f minus 1 plus f minus 2. So the errors are given by these. So the general forms of these equations are given by yn plus 1 p equal to yn plus h by 24 55 fn minus 59 fn minus 1 plus 37 fn minus 2 minus 9 fn minus 3, and yn plus 1 c equal to yn plus h by 24 9 fn plus 1 p plus 19 fn minus 5 fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, and these are called the explicit predictor corrector formula.